Hello and welcome to the latest edition of the McPhillips Toyota Car Guide. My name's Carter the Car Guy, and in today's episode I'll be showing you how to replace a dead battery in your Toyota key fob with the smart key entry system. Thanks for watching. Replacing the battery on your Toyota smart key fob is a three-step process. For this, you will need three items: your existing Toyota fob, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery. Step 1, locate the push icon on your Toyota smart key fob and simply press and pull. Step 2, insert this part of the key into this area of the fob. And open. Step 3, this is the final step. Remove the electronic portion of the fob and use your flathead screwdriver to remove the dead battery. Once the battery has been removed, you can replace it with a new battery and put the fob back together in the same method of which it was taken apart. As always, we thank you for watching our videos. Should you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Also, please hit like and subscribe. We'd like to know who's following and how we can help you with the next edition of the McPhillips Toyota Car Guide. Until next time, thanks for watching.